Ever wondered why some women experience mood swings during their menstrual cycle? Well, it's a question that has intrigued scientists, medical practitioners, and of course, those who experience it firsthand. This emotional roller coaster that many women embark on every month is often attributed to a condition known as premenstrual syndrome or PMS. PMS is a common phenomenon characterized by a variety of symptoms that can range from mild to severe. One of the most notable symptoms is mood swings. Imagine feeling on top of the world one moment, and then finding yourself in the depths of despair the next. It's like being caught in a whirlwind of emotions that you have little control over. Sounds exhausting, doesn't it? That's because it is. And it's not just about the emotional toll. These mood swings can affect relationships, work performance, and overall quality of life. So, what's the culprit behind these mood swings? It's a complex interplay of hormones. During the menstrual cycle, hormonal fluctuations occur. These changes can affect neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, leading to mood swings and other PMS symptoms. But here's where it gets interesting. What if there was a way to alleviate these mood swings? What if a simple vitamin could help balance these hormonal changes? Enter vitamin B6, a water-soluble vitamin known for its role in brain development and function. Vitamin B6 has been linked to the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to well-being and happiness. Could vitamin B6 be the key to managing PMS mood swings? It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? This vitamin, which is commonly found in foods like bananas, fish, and potatoes, could potentially offer relief to millions of women worldwide. But before we get carried away, let's dive a bit deeper into this topic. We'll explore the scientific evidence, understand the mechanisms at play, and see if vitamin B6 truly holds the potential we're hoping for. Stay with us as we unravel the scientific connection between vitamin B6 and PMS mood swings. First, we need to understand what exactly happens during PMS and why mood swings occur. Premenstrual syndrome, often known as PMS, is a constellation of physical and emotional symptoms that many women experience in the week or two leading up to their menstrual period. The exact cause of PMS remains a mystery, but it's generally believed to be related to hormonal fluctuations that occur during the menstrual cycle. To paint a clearer picture, let's consider the menstrual cycle as a roller coaster ride of hormones. In the first half of the cycle, estrogen levels rise, peaking just before the middle of the cycle. This hormone is known to promote feelings of well-being and happiness. However, after ovulation, estrogen levels drop dramatically and progesterone levels rise, preparing the body for potential pregnancy. If pregnancy does not occur, both estrogen and progesterone levels fall, leading to the onset of menstruation. This sudden drop in hormone levels can trigger a variety of symptoms, including mood swings. Now let's talk about mood swings. They are sudden and extreme changes in a person's mood. Imagine feeling on top of the world one moment, and then feeling irritable or tearful the next. These mood swings can be mild, or they can be severe enough to interfere with everyday life. The link between these hormonal changes and mood swings is not entirely understood. However, it's believed that the fluctuating hormones can affect neurotransmitters in the brain, including serotonin, which is often referred to as the feel-good hormone. When serotonin levels are stable, you typically feel happy, calm, and focused. But when these levels fluctuate, as they do during the menstrual cycle, it can lead to feelings of anxiety, irritability, and sadness, hence the mood swings. In summary, the hormonal roller coaster that is the menstrual cycle can lead to changes in mood and emotions, resulting in the mood swings that many women experience during PMS. Now that we understand PMS and mood swings, let's delve into the role of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 isn't just any vitamin, it plays a crucial role in our brain and body. Now, if you're wondering why it's so special, let's dive into the science of it. Often we think of vitamins as simple nutrients that keep us healthy. But the truth is that they are complex molecules that play intricate roles in our body's processes. One of these superheroes is vitamin B6, or, as scientists like to call it, pyridoxine. This vitamin is a key player in over 100 enzyme reactions in our bodies, most of which are protein metabolism, but that's not all. It's also essential for our brain health. And here's why. Vitamin B6 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters. Now, neurotransmitters are like the communication lines of our brains. They transmit signals from one nerve cell to another, allowing our brains to function smoothly. Among these neurotransmitters, some are particularly important for regulating our moods. These include serotonin, known as the feel-good hormone, and GABA, which helps to control fear and anxiety. Vitamin B6 plays a pivotal role in producing these mood-regulating chemicals. Without enough of this vitamin, our brains might struggle to produce these neurotransmitters, potentially leading to mood imbalances. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin B6 also contributes to the formation of myelin, a protective layer around our nerve cells. This layer is crucial for the speedy transmission of signals in our brains. Without it, our brains would work slower, affecting our cognition and mood. So, you see, vitamin B6 isn't just about preventing a deficiency, it's about maintaining our brain health and keeping our mood stable. It's about ensuring that our brains are working at their best, allowing us to feel our best. With that in mind, how does vitamin B6 interact with our hormonal system during PMS? Let's uncover the scientific connection between vitamin B6 and PMS mood swings. The link between vitamin B6 and mood swings during premenstrual syndrome, or PMS, is a fascinating area of study. Over the years, scientists have conducted numerous studies to understand this connection better, and the results have been intriguing to say the least. One of the key roles of vitamin B6 in our bodies is the regulation of hormones and neurotransmitters. These are chemicals that transmit signals from one nerve cell to another, playing a pivotal role in controlling our moods. During PMS, hormone levels fluctuate, and this can cause mood swings. Vitamin B6 is involved in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and social behavior. When levels of serotonin are low, it can lead to feelings of sadness, anxiety, and irritability, all common symptoms of PMS. Research has shown that vitamin B6 can help maintain a balance of these hormones and neurotransmitters. A study conducted by the Journal of Women's Health and Gender-Based Medicine found that women who took a vitamin B6 supplement reported fewer mood swings compared to those who didn't take the supplement. This is likely because vitamin B6 helps the body produce more serotonin, thus helping to alleviate mood swings. Other studies have echoed these findings. A review of 9 different studies published in the British Medical Journal found that vitamin B6 was consistently effective in reducing PMS symptoms, including mood swings. The researchers concluded that vitamin B6 is likely to benefit women suffering from PMS. Of course, it's important to remember that while these studies are promising, more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between vitamin B6 and PMS mood swings. Every individual is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's also crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. So can vitamin B6 be a potential solution for PMS mood swings? The answer, according to the current body of research, is a resounding possibly, and that possibility is certainly worth exploring further. Could increasing your vitamin B6 intake be the key to managing PMS mood swings? Let's delve into this. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, is a water-soluble vitamin that your body needs for various functions. It's involved in over 100 enzyme reactions, mostly concerned with protein metabolism. It helps the body to use and store energy from protein and carbohydrates in food. But its role goes beyond just metabolism. It contributes to brain development during pregnancy and infancy, as well as immune function. So, how can this vitamin possibly help manage those pesky PMS mood swings? Well, vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood, among other things. Some research suggests that higher intakes of vitamin B6 may help alleviate symptoms of PMS, including mood swings, though more studies are needed to confirm these findings. Now, before you rush to the store to stock up on vitamin B6 supplements, there are some essential things to keep in mind. While vitamin B6 is generally considered safe when taken in recommended amounts, excessive intake can lead to nerve damage, causing numbness and muscle weakness. So, it's important not to exceed the maximum daily intake unless instructed by a healthcare professional. Moreover, vitamin B6 is found in a wide variety of foods including fish, poultry, potatoes, and non-citrus fruits. So, a balanced diet might provide you with enough of this vitamin without the need for supplements. But remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. That's why it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or supplement routine. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique needs and health history. Remember, every individual is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice.